Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Samsung Pay on Galaxy Z Fold step by step clearly. To begin using Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Z Fold, first, unlock your device. Locate and tap on the Samsung Pay app from your home screen or app drawer. If you haven't set up Samsung Pay yet, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to add a payment card to your account. Tap on Add Card to start the process. You can either scan your card using the camera or enter the card details manually. Once you've entered your card information, tap Next. Review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree. You may have to verify your card through your bank. Follow the verification steps provided, which may include a phone call or text message. Once verified, your card will be added to Samsung Pay. To make a payment, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open Samsung Pay. Select the card you want to use for your transaction. If prompted, authenticate your identity using your fingerprint or PIN. Hold your device near the payment terminal until the transaction goes through. You may receive a confirmation message once the payment is successful. For in-app or online purchases, look for the Samsung Pay option at checkout. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction quickly. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Z Fold. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.